Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Thursday, January the 9th. We are out here in Stone Mountain, Georgia. This is the residence of Mrs. Sylvia. Miss Sylvia, I think she said she found me on social media. She did talk about my videos. So actually, she did watch my videos. So what we're going to be doing, guys, this is one of two projects we have today. This is a screen and recoat with UV cure. It's a living room and also a foyer. We also have another job later on, a screen and recoat for one of the consultations that I did yesterday. I did 6 consultations, and out of 6, 5 of them booked on the spot. So that's why I do the paid consultations, because it lets me know who's serious and who's not. So we have a full schedule already for next week. So let me show you what we're going to be doing on this job while Tavares is setting up. All right, guys, again, we are in Stone Mountain, Georgia. Then we got to go do a consultation in Atlanta while the finish is drying here, and then we're going to come back, UV cure the floor, and then we'll do another. So these are the floors we're going to be doing. The floors are just really just losing their luster. So we're going to be doing this foyer right here, as you can see. And then this room right here, Miss Sylvia said she had these floors installed, I think she said about 6-7 years ago. And it's just, again, she realized that the sheen is kind of going down and just want to keep it maintained. So we're just going to go ahead and screen this floor down. And like I said, yeah, man, had one job for next week going into yesterday, and after doing 6 consultations, we have jobs every day next week. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Come back and show you some results. Stay tuned. Guys, we got the floor screened really good, as you saw. Now this is the clean and tacking part. I already got the finish made up. This is going to be rag coat satin going down. All right, so go ahead and get these floors clean and tacked. Stay tuned. Hey, ho. All right, guys, we just got back. Here's the foyer. Looks amazing. We also did some color correction in the foyer. You see that, Miss Sylvia? Yes, ma'am. And then here's the room over here. So we just went and did a consultation that went very well. It's also going to be an engineered floor with screen and recoat, color correction, and buckhead. So we got the UV machine ready to go. So go ahead and get this fired up. Yes, ma'am. Yep. Yep. Looking good?
Yeah, looks good.
Thank you. All right, guys, so this is the rag coat. So you can see we're walking on it. Now we're about to get it UV cured, and we'll be heading to our second job incoming. Yeah, she had a lot of missing color up in here, so we did
You added some color?
Yes, ma'am, there you go. That's why you don't see it no more. We added color back to it.
Okay.
Actually, right there by that front door, when you first walked in, it was missing color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we added color back there as well.
Okay.
Yeah, little color correction. Tavares did it. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start UV curing. Machine is hot and ready. I also just had another lead come through in Lawrenceville. She had another company try to restore the floors, and they did not. They weren't successful at it. So she actually said she found me, watched all my videos, my social media. This is actually how Miss Sylvia found me, on social media. And also the consultation I just came from, he also found me on social media. So, all right, guys, I can smell that rag coat cooking. Basically baking it into the floor. So Miss Sylvia, this is the UV cure right here. So,
okay.
Yep. So like when you go get your nails done, and they put your nail on that light, this finish is instantly cured. Yep. Guys, check it out. Now I must say, we do not move furniture, but in some cases we will help the client, because all we did was just this right here, because Miss Sylvia did get the UV cure. You can see we slid the chair back, no scuff marks, no scratches, push it all back in one. Also, this chair right here, another thing about the UV cure, rugs can go back down on the floors. Miss Sylvia said, Courtney, you just showing out. See that, guys? No scuff marks, no scratches.
Wow.
And furniture back same day. So this is one of the unique benefits of the UV cure. No waiting for cure time for the furniture to go back. And voila, like it never even happened. All right, guys, another happy client. You happy, Miss Sylvia?
I'm happy. I'm happy.
Thank you.
I'm definitely happy.
Thank you.
If you would help me with this little table that goes here, it's a little heavy. This
Okay.
round table gonna go against here.
No problem.
The rest of it's back.
All right, guys. Well, we're about to wrap up helping Miss Sylvia. Then we're gonna be heading to Cummings to do another screen of Recoat. The house is empty. They just want to get the floors to look better to help it sell. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.